Hi, this is Eric, and I'd like to talk to you about adding the Bing Translator widget to your WordPress site using Shortcodes. So after you've installed and activated your Bing Translator plugin and you've checked your settings, another way to add the Translator widget to your site is by using simple shortcodes. So in this case, let's take a look at our home page. There is a button up at the top here labeled Bing, and if you open it up, you see there's two options: to insert the widget and then to insert a no translate shortcode. So in both cases, these insert shortcodes right within your editor window that only pertain to this piece of content. So in this case, let me just insert the widget. There's our Bing Translator widget. I'm going to just put a little line break in there and update. And then let's take a look at what that looks like on the front end. Here it is. There's our Translator widget. It's right up here at the top. When we open it up, it sort of will cover up some of that content as we choose a different language to translate into. So this is a great way to allow people to translate one particular piece of content on your site or on a page-by-page basis. But if you've got multiple pages on your site and you want to allow translation of all of them, the WordPress widget implementation is much better because you don't have to add a shortcode to every page or post or piece of content that you want to translate. So while we're looking at the shortcodes here, let's also take a look at this no translate option. So the no translate option actually inserts shortcodes around content that you don't want to translate. So let's say in this case we don't want to translate this first paragraph. So I click no translate. You see it surrounds it with these no translate shortcodes. I'm going to update this page, and then let's take a look at our home page on the front end. So I'm going to refresh it here. There's our home page. There's our translator, and you see we're translating into Malay here, but the first paragraph is still in English, and then we switch over to Malay. It's a little bit more marked distinction if we switch to Chinese. So here we've got Chinese characters, but the first paragraph is not being translated. Again, that's because of this no translate shortcode. So that's adding the Bing Translator to your site using shortcodes, along with some of the limitations of that, which are pretty much positioning and style. I hope that helps, and keep an eye out for our other videos.